Honeysuckle, what are you doing? Come on out. This is the most precious little puppy. She has the teeniest, tiniest little tip of white on her tail. She's the runt of the litter. She's got this fuzzy hair. Her and Rosie and Cactus have fuzzy hair. There's Cactus. Where's Rosie? There's Rosie getting a drink. They're all... Say hi, Rosie. Say hi. Say hi. Say you want to adopt me? Say I'm up for adoption. Yes. Here's Miss Hannah. She's adopted already. Jezebel's going to start snuggling, playing with the puppies. She's so good with them. What is it, Rosie? What is it? What are you doing, you crazy boy? Crazy boy. You gonna get in the doghouse? Okay. That's Chickadee with the big white chest, and she's on top of Hannah. Honeysuckle's in between the dog houses. There's Doodle and Jezebel. They're playing now. They've got the end of a big stick. There's Cashew. He's from a different litter. He leaves next week. Blue Bear, are you working on my tennis shoe? Are you working on my shoe? There's Rosie and Oh, stop that. No. You be nice. There's Jelly Belly Bean. Jelly Belly Bean. She's sleeping. Rosie's a little frog. Jezebel is going to town on this stick. Doodle and Hannah are wrestling. Blue Bear's looking on. Honeysuckle still hasn't moved. And Cashew is in the back enjoying himself. Hey, be nice. Nice, nice. Be nice.